If Steam is giving you error 620, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a simple fix that can help get Steam working again. This is a quick troubleshooting method that usually takes just a minute or two, and it's a great first step before trying anything more complicated. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click Steam. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will take you into the Steam Settings panel where we can adjust the network and download options that often cause this kind of issue. Inside Settings, click Downloads. This is the section we need because Steam error 620 can sometimes be related to download settings, region settings, or cached data. On this page, look for Download Region. If your region is set incorrectly, or if the Steam servers in that area are having problems, changing it can help resolve the error. Click the Download Region dropdown and choose a different region that's reasonably close to you, or try another nearby server area. After changing the region, Steam may ask you to restart later. Go ahead and click Restart Later for now, because we still have one more important step to do before relaunching Steam. Now, on the same Downloads page, scroll down a little bit until you see Clear Download Cache. Click that option. Clearing the download cache is important because it removes old or corrupted temporary data that may be causing Steam to throw error 620. When prompted, confirm the action if Steam asks you to. Once the cache has been cleared, close Steam completely and then restart Steam. This gives Steam a fresh start with the new download region and cleaned cache settings. In many cases, that is enough to fix the problem and allow Steam to connect and function normally again. If the error is still there after restarting, try repeating the process one more time and selecting a different download region. Sometimes the issue is temporary, and simply switching regions and clearing the cache again can help. Also make sure your internet connection is stable, and if needed, restart your PC and your router before trying Steam again. So to quickly recap, you opened Steam, went into Settings, clicked Downloads, changed the download region, chose Restart Later, then cleared the download cache, and finally restarted Steam. That's the basic fix for Steam error 620, and it solves the issue for a lot of users. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tech fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.